Jack, my boy.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Honorman?
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome, sir.
Please come upstairs.
Fine, ma.
No, sir. This morning, you have to clean the pool. Did you clean the pool?
I don't clean them, ma.
You're sure?
Yes, ma.
Okay. You know what? This month, your salary will be increased.
Mama!
Jack, how are you doing now? Please, where's my husband?
He's upstairs.
This one is very, very hot.
It's about to go down.
My love.
What's going on here?
Honey, what's happening here?
Welcome, ma.
You're back.
Yeah, I'm back.
You know you're not around, so I asked her to help me massage my back.
Okay, that's fine. So, Onome, please, when you're done with all the massage, you come and join me in the kitchen. Let's cook for my husband.
Okay, ma.
Yes, I'll see you later.
From today, they wash your
I'll tell you.
Anywhere they go, they wash your back.
Be going now, be going. Ah. Honorman?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, please, did you see my wife?
She should be in Jack's room.
Jack's room?
Yes, sir.
Babe! What's going on here? I've been looking for you.
Honey, sorry, you were busy with your food, so I asked Jack to help me massage my back. I've been complaining my brother has been paining me.
Should I continue?
Yes, please.
You do me, I do you. Man, no go best. Now all of us will be
Fine girl.
Thomas,
How you doing now?
I'm okay.
So how much for a night?
Sorry, I'm fully booked. I'm just waiting for my ride. Please, can we the next time?
Okay. Fine girl.
Customer.
I be your customer, no be the first time I dey carry you.
Everybody na customer for you.
Oh, voilà. So how much for a night?
100K.
100K for this junction.
Yes, now.
No be 50K.
You be novice. Everybody for you now. 100K they collect. Yes.
Oh yeah, now make it go. You sure say you do me well?
Yes, now trust me.
Bros.
Hello?
That my colleague that night where he pick. How much you give him?
100K.
100K. 50K they collect for you. Everybody know that 50K. 50K. Yes, now the guy don't dupe you, guy.
What's all they do for you?
Remember from that girl. Collect him back.
Voilà. Thank you.
I blame myself.
Hello, fine girl.
Hi, hello.
What's the price?
Sorry, I'm fully booked. Can check the next person.
Hello.
Customer.
What's the price now?
50K.
50K. Not bad, not bad. Let's go.
Devil, now you need
Yo, welcome. Okay, she don't show.
I beg, how much carry am for a night?
50K.
50K. Madam, how much you collect from my hand the last time? Talk now.
100K.
Give my balance.
God help me now that day.
I pour you spit. I pour spit for
Give me
your
now.
face.
Help me.
Because if I not pour spit for your face today, tomorrow you will still pour me spit. You know understand?
Alpha.
My bro, Alpha.
Alpha now. Yeah, babe, this my brother Loudy. This my babe Caroline. Let me look to it and come.
Okay.
Wait, show you nothing I caught it on Jen. As you see this my brother, so I know they play with them. Now my blood, I go to watch you. I be monitoring spirit where they see so. If they bath, I go there to watch you.
Anywhere they go, they wash your back.
If they watch me, I go to watch you back. As you watch this movie too, I just want to remind you, say me too, they watch you. I they watch you.
Don't be smarting, I don't go enter.
If they come out, I don't tell you escort. You ask where you're going to, right? Oh yeah, I'm with you, please. You know you're late, please. Hello?
Hey!
Say they hear me, sir. I know me you break your heart. They hear me, sir. All these making girls, I they fear now.
Devil, now you need me.
Babe, I'm leaving. I'm sorry. I don't think this relationship can work anymore. I'm sorry.
Babe, what happened?
I know what.
What did you tell her?
Nothing. Maybe she don't like your personality. Check yourself.
What for you? Now what for you, bro?
You know what? I am done with this relationship. I am tired of you being toxic. Your nonchalancy is so unbearable. In fact, I'm done. I'm leaving.
Hey, be going now.
You're not going to beg me.
Madam, be going.
So you know what you've been doing all along. In fact, bye.
Hey, bye-bye.
So I haven't even left and you already replaced me.
That's a play.
Hey, baby!
Just come outside for the night. Take your time.
I just remembered. This is my house. I paid for this house in full. And I want you and your girl to get the heck out of my house. Now. Get the heck out of my house. Now!
Let's go.
Baby, let's go.
You just want to chill, but problem will finally come for where she is.
Yeah.
Look at the bed is getting.
Oh, hello.
Yeah, I'm looking for Nidu.
Oh, have your seat. He's having his bait.
Okay.
You join you soon. You're welcome.
Thank you.
What would you like me to serve you? Food, drinks, anything?
Anything is fine.
I'll bring something for you.
Okay.
Please, manage this, please.
Thank you.
I'll get you water, okay?
Okay.
All the time food.
You too like food.
Hello? Can you hear me? Good.
What's going on here?
Since you've been cheating on me with someone and you refuse to tell me who the person is, guess what? Your friend is going to suffer for it. I just poisoned Okafor. Alright, hear from me.
You go cry. Believe me when you did.
Bestie?
Bestie, how you doing?
I'm okay.
What are you doing here?
I came to buy something for my babe.
Okay. Anyways, Bestie, meet my fiancé. Fiancé, my bestie of life.
Hello, young man. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
And guess what?
What?
We're getting married very soon.
Congrats.
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure.
Anyways, you guys should catch up. Let me just go and look around and get some things.
Oh, okay. Young man, you said you came to buy something for your babe.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have something for you. Here, take. Look, you are firing her very well. You can't be buying all these things and you won't be firing her.
Okay, you're right, sir.
That's my boy.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hello, shopper.
We're getting out the coupe at the lot. Tony fuck 12, fuck SWAT.
Hi, baby. Here's your food.
Thank you. Made it today.
Yes. She liked it.
Nice.
Oh, thank you. Let me get you something to drink, okay? Enjoy your food.
Okay.
Daddy.
My daughter,
Sir,
where are you going to?
I want to get something for my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend? Yeah? Ngozi? I thought I warned you I don't want to see around men. So instead of bringing men to my house,
I'm sorry.
this should be the last time.
Okay, I'm coming.
You? Chief! Hell! Ngozi Obugo.